Did you notice the sentiment score for data science sitting at plus 0.54? That's a notable spike compared to our historical baseline, especially given the momentum's drop of minus 0.26 over the last 24 hours. This divergence can signal a shift in how sentiment is developing around your topic, potentially indicating a wave of optimism amidst a cooling trend. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including semantic clusters, which can help you identify the nuances in this sentiment shift. For instance, you could use this insight to tailor your content strategy around data science, focusing on the positive aspects that are resonating with your audience right now. To dive deeper into this data and optimize your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness these insights together.